So why I can't multi-snap? So this is the question a lot of like my viewers ask. I made a few videos about multi-snap a while ago, and now seems there is some kind of glitch with Snapchat multi-snap feature. So I just checked out like a few days ago, and it was completely fine, available for me. But then I just checked it yesterday, and then I went to my menu, and then there is no multi-snap anymore. So as you can see, usually it was here in the bottom under focus. So yeah, basically, it's like the question right now is like whether Snapchat just gonna completely remove it, but seems they like the multi-snap is still in their is in their support menus. They didn't write any statement on Twitter or whatever that they will remove it. So seems this is some kind of technical bug or a glitch. How to solve it temporarily? Temporarily, just do this. Just log out and log back in, and then you will have multi-snap. So something really weird is happening, but then again you will have multi-snap only for like this session of the app, because if you restart your phone, you will need to log out and log back in again, or maybe if you put your phone to the sleep mode, you will need to do it again. So it's super annoying. Nobody knows what's happening. So that's just what it is.